Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing absolutely well. So today in this video we are going to see how we can get CPM marketing leads, or we can get leads for our Fiverr clients, and we can also get traffic for our website as well. We can viral any Twitter tweet. Okay, so hope you're gonna like this video, but before that, make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you can also join over our Facebook group premium chat to get daily updates. Nowadays, people are very interested in Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, or NFT. Everyone jump over this and they try to earn from cryptocurrency in a very short time. They are investing their capital assets to earn more from these things. But do not afraid, my friend. I am not going to tell you to invest in cryptocurrency or NFT here. But here I'll show you how you can manipulate these things to get your CPL leads or getting any type of leads or viral your Twitter tweets. So let's see. If you notice, there are many coins listed here in the market, and you need to find out those coins which are on trending, and then we need to use that in our tweets. You can see here in that tweet, in recent past days, Luna coin gets too much dump and people get too many loss, and this coin is also in hype. But here you can see from these Twitter accounts, they are telling people that they are going to give away some Luna coins to people who will retweet their tweets. So let's make it more simple and see how we can do this. But first, let's see. If we search with that keyword giving away or giveaway, we'll see with that post people are using this type of post to get viral their accounts or tweets. You can see they are providing some coins and getting some leads from their tweets. I will show you at the last of this video how you can do this. Okay, now you can see that they are asking their followers to follow them, retweet their tweets, and fill up some website deals to get their airdrop. Okay, so this all called like airdrop giveaway. Okay, this Sol Luna coin is also a very popular coin in cryptos, and they are, you can see, they are providing for free. But the main fact is most of them are not going to provide any coin up to them. They only come here to make viral their post. Now at that part of this video, if you have your own website, then you can skip this part. But if you don't have any web to get leads, then you can follow this how to get leads for free. At first, you need to come over docs.google.com, and from here you can choose blank, or you can go with contact form, what they already give you as a template. Now from here you need to customize that page, this form, that what it is for. As you are mentioning in your tweets that you are going to give away some coins, you are giving away some airdrops, so you can just mention it here. And if you want any details of them, you can ask for their name, email, phone number, or you can also ask them for their country. So it's very easy to edit, and you can also mention here some call to action details, what will encourage your traffic to submit their details. And as soon as they submit their any of details here, it will give you notification. It will give you the data in your mail. As you can see here, we already create our form here, what we are going to give in our tweets, and here we are asking our traffic for, if they want to get that giveaway, they should give here their name, their email, phone number, and their country. So from this you can identify your leads from which country you get your traffic. And now after you click on send, you can short that link and give it there in your tweet. So let's see it's going to work or not. and as we created that form with that mail, so it will send the notification for the data in that mail. Now I am checking will it work or not, so let's see. Okay, we submit our details, and now here we are going to see will it really send the response to our mail or not. Okay, you can see there we got our response for the data that if any person from our traffic fill out this, we will get this notification. Now let's see how we can do this. At first we need to go over this website CoinCapMarket, and from here we need to find out trending, and from trending we need to find out some coins which are really good at trending, and then we need to use it as our hook for the tweet. Now you can see that for 10,000 good coin we get many dollar, I mean over $500. So we can say in our tweet that we are going to give away this coin to some lucky winners, so they need to retweet or follow our account, and they can also tag some friends, and this will work only for 24 hours. So within 24 hours if they do it, they will get some chance, and this way you can viral your tweet in a very short time and get some leads for your offer or for your website or for your clients if you work over Fiverr to get leads for your clients. So this way you can collect as much as traffic, and you can do it from 3 or 4 accounts from your Twitter, okay, with other coins. Okay, hope you understand, and if you don't understand anything you can comment the video. Have a great day. See you in the next video.